Welcome back. In today's tutorial, I will show you guys how to promote your Facebook page without you boasting. That is how to get 0 followers to 550 followers just in some days. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, and if you see this video helpful to you, you share and hit the notification bell in order not to miss our upcoming videos. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is that you need to sign into your Facebook page. So I'll simply log in. Once I'm there, I'll click at the left hand side of my screen. That is, I need to go to my page. So that's it. So this is my page here. Oh, this is also my community page. So this is my page where I upload all my YouTube tutorials. So once you're there, I'll simply show you guys a trick in which I had so many followers. That is 580 followers just in a couple of months. So that's it. As you can see, 580 followers. So the first trick is that you need to upload videos on your Facebook page frequently. That is every day. That is, if you want to promote your page without boasting, that is what you need to do. You need to create contents every day. You create contents. As you can see, this is it. I'm just uploading this video. So after that, these are the videos I uploaded. So you make sure you upload videos and you share the videos to your various groups and pages that you belong. So that's it. I produce videos every day. So okay, now the second step that I use for the second trick that I use, right? I actually created a Facebook group. That is a group inside my Facebook page. That is it, created by this page. So this is the group here. So now this group actually helped me to increase the Facebook trafficking. That is to increase followers to my Facebook page. Each time I upload a video on my Facebook page, I shared the post on my Facebook group. It helps me to increase trafficking. As you can see, I just uploading this one. You see the number of views, and you see the 1 like, 2 likes. So after that, as the various posts I wish I shared to this group. That is your Facebook group created by you, or a Facebook group created by another person. So that's it. So the last tip I have for you guys is that you need to make sure that you invite your friends. That is, you invite your friends, your family members, like this. So for now I have 0 people to invite because I already invited them. So what we are going to do is that you need to invite, and you need to make sure that each family member or friend that you see that is on Facebook, take this phone, or you have access to use his phone. You can go to Facebook and search your name, that is your Facebook group name, and from there now you invite their friends to join your pages. So it's going to help you to increase your Facebook followers.